ericrizavlog again, and today we're going to unbox Lite Brite.
Okay, so for today's we are going to unbox something that like originally our channel is about, and like things happen and whatever, and we come to this. So we are going to unbox
Lite Brite.
I actually don't know what Lite Brite is until Eric bought how do you say that?
I bought another Lite Brite, but it's similar to this.
Yeah, it's a fake one.
But if you guys remember this on commercials, you'll remember this picture with the kids. And then they made it. I'm surprised they brought it back, but they're bringing back a lot of older toys. And then, and then you can make lots of different templates like in the back here.
Okay, so as I said, I don't know the Lite Brite before, but now that I see it, and like after we have the fake one, it's actually a nice toy, because as we said on our on our first vlog about toys and whatever, like we have so much toys out in the market, and as a parent, like we have to kind of choose which one is like worth our money. Otherwise, most of the toys are just redundancy. So if you buy everything and whatever, really it just do the same thing. So the thing that I like about the Lite Brite is it's very creative. It takes a lot of time for, let's say, for the kids to do it, so it can kill a lot of time. And plus, it's actually a good thing for a parent or somebody and with your child to do together, because when Ethan is doing the fake one, which is still do good, he can take at least how long total? Maybe like at least half an hour, an hour, like for the one palette. It's amazing because it's really
Because sometimes I get bored playing with with those toys, so I say, Papa, can I have Lite Brite, please? And then Papa say, okay. And then I read it until lunchtime.
yeah.
And you sort out colors too, right?
Yeah,
Like
so
the
it's actually
sorting,
it's actually nice. I mean, I like it. It's one of the the things that I thought about it. I was like, oh, it's nice because it's not just a toy. It's almost like an educational toy. So check it out, guys. And actually, this is how much is this? I think it's like I can't remember how much is it, but like you guys can actually find it in Amazon or in your local Costco.
Yeah.
Costco is actually cheaper, but I can't remember how much we bought it.
I think
Okay.
it was around 25 or something.
Yeah, something like that, 19.99.
Yeah.
Something like
Between
that.
that
Yeah.
range.
Okay. So let's unbox it now, and because Ethan can't wait. Box looks like this. This is the original one, by the way.
Yeah.
And it seems like it comes with colors and
It comes with 326 pieces.
8 templates. But let's open it. Let's open it, see what really it looks like.
Yeah, Lite Brite.
Okay, careful.
Like,
Okay.
can we
So,
lift the chain?
Okay.
okay. So when you Nini, come here. Come. Okay, guys. So when you open the box, it's just literally just this. Okay.
And it's
So
very stuck.
Oh.
yeah, that's it. Literally, that's it. So
That's cool.
it's just this. What is this again?
This is the lighting,
No, this is the board.
the
They
board.
called it a
yeah.
board.
And then, it doesn't light. Okay, so we need batteries in there.
Okay, so we need
Comes
battery.
with the two containers, which is really convenient.
And can you remove this container?
I think so.
Mommy.
There.
Yeah.
You can remove this container. That's kind of cool. And it comes with a nice.
Snapping case, lock.
Yeah.
Mama.
Yeah.
I need to remove this.
Mama. Wow.
Oh, here, there's a battery included.
Oh, good.
3 battery.
You go for that. Box.
And
Yeah,
yeah,
you can
what
take
does it call with this again?
Pegs.
Okay, pegs. So there's comes with pegs. How many pegs is that? They said 326.
326.
Babe, can you give me the box, please? Okay, so it comes with 1 tablet, which is Nini. Can you show the tablet? Okay,
What
so
tablet?
okay, so it comes with Nini. Wait, anak, wait. It comes with 1 tablet, which is that 314 pegs, which is this.
And this.
2 removable cases, which is nice cases, by the way. 1 art guide. What does that mean? Okay.
The guide.
And 8 templates.
I want to make a train.
A little hack for this toy is you can photocopy the sheets. So you
Yeah,
can
because then
reuse
you only have
memory.
8.
Yes.
But is there any way that you can find it online?
Or you can do, if you have a color photocopier, then you can do that.
No, but for example, you forgot.
Online, maybe, yeah, maybe.
Like in their Lite Brite website or something?
Possibly.
Okay. So yeah, so like it comes with 8, what does it called again? 8 templates.
Templates.
So like 8. Nini, can you guess what is this, Nini? Nini, guess what is that?
Where's the battery?
No, what is this though? What is this picture, you think? What is this picture? Look at the camera.
Oh.
It's a bird, no?
No, 2 like baby chicks.
Baby chicks, okay?
Baby.
How about this?
Baby chick.
It's tropical fish. Yeah,
No, a happy
the other
face.
one.
No, silly face.
This one?
Silly face.
Oh, it's the clown.
a clown, yeah.
That's a clown.
And then it comes with,
Noah's son.
Oh, what's that?
Flower. Flower.
is that a flower?
Yeah, flower garden, upside down.
Upside down? Oh, what is this?
What's that?
House.
Tutoy, don't yell,
Yeah.
anak.
Because I saw it here.
I know, but you don't have to yell.
No cheating. What
How
is
about
that?
this? What could this be?
Train.
A train.
I want to make a train.
Isn't it cool? And
So you can see it's
Boat.
color
a
coded.
boat.
You can.
Okay. Okay, this is Nini's turn. Tutoy, this is Nini's turn. Nini, what is this?
Flower.
Oh my God, Nini, your hair.
No, that's a
Butterfly.
butterfly.
Okay, this one is
Upside down.
upside down.
Duck. Duck.
Good job. So as you guys can see, this is the good thing about it because it's actually color coded.
And with the letters, the beginning of the letters of the colors.
Yeah, so it's color coded. But then if you guys are going to photocopy it, then I guess better to photocopy it with colored photocopy. But sandali anak, sandali Nini.
But black and white works too.
Yeah, black and white works because it shows the color initial. So let's say for white, it's a W. For orange, it's an O, something like that. So yeah, so okay, so
Orange.
right. Okay, so Ethan and Eric, we're gonna do this, and we're gonna show you how beautiful it transformed into, this palette. Nini again.
So I'm on the train.
You're gonna do the train?
Which one's the train?
On the one. Mama.
Yes? Yan ang gusto mo? No, do the train for Kuya first, and then we can do that later, okay, Nine? Tutoy, can you do the duck first? Is that okay? Okay, we'll do the duck first. Tutoy, just do the duck first, and then you can do the train later. It's okay, Tutoy. You can do it the train after.
This way, Nene. Look at the lights here, right?
Okay. Okay, yeah. So what you have to do is to align the picture.
Inside the black area.
Yeah.
There
Papa.
you go.
Papa. I'm going for this pen.
Yes, please. Yeah.
Okay, so
Let's put
so
it in
drop
there.
all the
pegs.
yeah.
Actually, we might probably just need one bag for now. Let's see how one bag, if it's enough.
Okay.
Okay, Ethan?
Okay.
We need lots.
So a lot of yellows and a lot of whites, it seems. And P. Wait, Ethan, you have to make.
Isn't you supposed to put something on the side so it stays still?
You normally go like the pegs on the side. But like what he's doing is fine.
What is it? Let me see.
Once you put,
it's a pink.
Oh wow! See here,
Yes,
it lights up. You can see that really lighting up. Nini P.
P. Nini P is pink.
Yeah.
Pink.
Push. Here, I'll help you.
And so that's why this toy is actually really for at least 3 years old and older, right, babe?
Yeah.
Like
Because you need to.
Yeah.
I like it how it lights. Look, it's so.
Oh, cute.
White. You need help? Here.
Wow.
Oh wow.
Oh, yeah. Oh.
Oh, you're right. Good girl, Nene. O is for what, Nene? What color is O?
Orange. Orange.
Orange.
I'm really amazed by the brightness, just in comparison to the other one. It's pretty. It's really bright.
Yellow, good girl. Yellow, good girl. Yellow's where? Where does yellow go?
Here.
Good job.
And the other one is bigger a bit, but I'm really amazed. I like this.
Oh,
What is
good job.
Come on, Papa. Can you put down this yellow?
And this also has.
Can you put this yellow?
Yes, I can. Here. Give me.
Papa. Oh, it's
There you go.
uh.
So you can also make it there. Flash different light functions.
Oh, oh, there's a function of steady light and a
blinking.
flashing light.
Yeah, flashing.
Oh, cool.
Oh, this is
Oh,
pink.
3. See, and there's blinking too.
So blinking, steady, and
oh, there's actually still more. This is like different blinking directions.
oh, cool.
B is for blue.
No?
No?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Mama.
No, I thought you said V. So that's purple.
B.
B as in boy, right, Tutay?
No, boy.
Yeah, boy.
No, boy is blue.
Yeah, I know. Boy is for blue. So you guys are done? Okay. Show it, Nene.
Show it.
Show your work.
Upside
Baliktad.
down. Baliktad.
I did this.
There. It's Nene baliktad, anak. Baliktad. Yay! Look how cute are they.
And different lights. Push the lights.
Okay. Okay, push the lights, Nene.
Push the light.
Oh, there you go, Toto. It looks like they're walking.
Push
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, so cute.
I just added the legs.
Yeah.
But some like
Look how pretty it is. So, guys, this is what it is what we're talking about. How beautiful it turns out. So,
you can turn out to new things that you want to put in your if your kids want to put it in the room, you can stick it to your wall. You can put it.
yeah.
in
So yeah, what we're saying while we're doing it, that it's so nice that it light up, that your child can have it every day. Like he can do one and put it as a new decoration every day. So for this Christmas, actually, it's a nice idea for yes. I'm not sure, anak ko. I'm not sure. So for this Christmas, it's actually a nice idea for a gift. I like it. I really like it. I think if you take care of it, I think it will come a long way, and it's something that you can do together or alone if your kid is like a little bit older, to put all the to stick it in. So, but that's it, guys, and thank you guys so much. I hope that you like our unboxing again, and till next time.